Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video we're going to open up a product for you that's been a long time coming. It is the Sonos Sub Mini. So a lot of people have been looking forward to this. We're going to open up the box, show you what accessories come in there, and then kind of give you a 360-degree tour of what the subwoofer looks like. So stay tuned. As you can see, not a whole lot of accessories in the box with the Sub Mini. Really, you just get a power cord and some instructions. But that's really the way Sonos is designed to be. Just very simple products, easy to use, and they sound great. We're gonna take a listen to this one in our next video where we do a little more of an overview on it and talk about some of the features that come along with it. So stay tuned for that one. As always, we appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.